So overall, what are the changes you see before hackathon in you, and now what are the main changes you can see now after
So
doing these two
the
months
first
session?
and foremost is the blind investing, where
Mm.
you have so many today being social media is, filled with so many tips, so many people, they come on social media
Yeah.
and they speak about this stock. So I have stopped investing blindly on any of the stock. Now what happens is if somebody, a friend or somebody calls up for saying, this is a good stock, I don't do that. I go to screener, I go to moneycontrol.com and I see, okay, what are the fundamentals, what is ROE, what is ROCE, and what is the PE, depending on the sector and the stock. And then I see, compare it with the peers. So if, for example, somebody says, okay, Bank of Maharashtra, or a hypothetical example, a Bandhan Bank, put money because it's going to grow. But then I just don't put it, invest in that stock unless I know which are the other peers. If I have to go into a small finance bank, then there are multiple options available. Then which are the
Yeah.
good ones out of these 8, 9 small finance banks available? I mean, if I have to put that 50,000, why to put in something which just, somebody must have given a good tip. I mean, I'm not saying that, that could be a good suggestion also. But then now, as a self due diligence, which you need to do, is has come after going through this session.